Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change currency in Roblox, right? So first of all you have to log in into your Roblox, and once you are logging into your Roblox, on the top right you will see this Roblox icon, right? So this icon is called Roblox beside notification, and here once you click on this, if you click on buy Robux, you will be redirected to this interface here, and you can see that the currency is this, right? So if I want to change it, I will just the only way to change it, that is VPN. So I will just turn on my VPN here. You can see it's already USA. I hope that it changed into dollar, right? So once the VPN is connected, I will just refresh this page and let's see whether that it is getting changed or not, right? You can see that in this way you can see currency is changed, right? So here you can change the currency of Roblox very easily. I hope guys you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe,